Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. Today's video will be on landscape painting. In this video, I'm going to paint a landscape using acrylic colors. So watch the video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start. First of all, I am covering the whole canvas with light blue shade. For this, I am using cerulean blue mixed with small amount of white color. Now I am applying white color here for lighter shade, and on the top I am applying cobalt blue color for the darker shade. I am using flat brush here. Now I am using yellow ochre color for painting the first layer of this tree. For this I am using Filbert brush of number 4. Adding orange color to the next tree. I'm taking sap green mixed with yellow and orange color for the rest of the trees. Here I'm using a mixture of sap green and Prussian blue for the dark layer. Adding some yellow and orange shade here. Now I'm painting the first layer of this road with burnt sienna mixed with white and yellow ochre. I'm also using deep magenta mixed with Prussian blue and white. Now in the second layer, I'm adding details using yellow color. For more highlights, I'm applying white color to some parts of the tree. I'm using a hog hair filbert brush as it helps to create texture. Giving some touches of yellow color here. Adding some texture also using a mixture of sap green and yellow. Now I'm applying a lighter shade for highlight. For this I have mixed more amount of yellow color with sap green. I'm using Prussian blue mixed with deep magenta for painting this tree trunk. I'm using a round brush of number 2. Now adding some leaves to the tree using yellow, orange, yellow ochre and sap green. For this I am using a round brush of number 0. Here I am applying yellow color using a Filbert brush. Adding some highlights in the road, I am using mixture of yellow and white. I am using my fingers also to blend the colors. And for here I am using cerulean blue mixed with white color. Adding some highlights using yellow color. Now I am painting some figures. Here I am using Prussian blue mixed with white. I am painting the first layer on these dogs using white color. and adding some shadows using very light blue and green shade. Adding some small branches for more details. Now adding some final touches. And it's completed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Both the links are given in the description. Thank you so much for watching.